Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what many consider the best screw pile footing on the market, the Mayne no-dig ground anchor. If you're looking for a heavy-duty, reliable way to secure fence posts, mailbox posts, or other outdoor installations, this product is designed to provide powerful support without the hassle of traditional digging and concrete. The Mayne no-dig ground anchor measures approximately 3.75 inches by 2.88 inches by 26.75 inches and is crafted from galvanized steel, giving it excellent durability and resistance to environmental wear. The package includes 5 lag bolts and a 20-inch rebar, making installation both secure and straightforward. One of the key advantages of this ground anchor is its no-dig installation process. Unlike conventional post anchors that require excavation or pouring concrete, the Mayne system uses heavy-duty anchors and lag bolts that screw into the ground, providing a firm foundation quickly and efficiently. This is a game-changer for anyone wanting to install or repair posts without heavy labor or long wait times for concrete to set. Specifically designed for 4x4 posts, the anchor offers versatility for various applications, whether you're setting up a fence, mailbox, or garden structure. The screw design ensures superior stability by holding the post firmly in place, reducing wobbling and increasing longevity. Built to withstand challenging weather and soil conditions, the galvanized steel construction resists rust and corrosion, which means your post will stay solid year after year. The product also comes with a 2-year limited warranty, reflecting the manufacturer's confidence in its durability and performance. Installation is user-friendly. The lag bolts and included rebar help anchor the post securely, while the design eliminates the need for digging trenches or mixing concrete, saving both time and effort. This makes it an excellent option for DIY enthusiasts and professionals alike. Overall, the Mayne no-dig ground anchor combines strength, convenience, and durability into one package. If you want a secure footing for your outdoor posts without the mess and time commitment of traditional methods, this screw pile footing is definitely worth considering. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more honest reviews and product insights.